So today we're going to look at the friendship between the two of you, friendship at the core of your relationship, because behind every great love story is great friendship. Romance matters, but friendship sustains. Shared hobbies, shared laughter, shared dreams, and that's what makes bonds unbreakable. And spending quality, um, connected time, listening to each other, being open, being honest, allowing each other to feel safe, to feel cherished. So what I want you to consider and wonder about today, how can I nurture friendship in my love this week? How can I nurture friendship? How would that look? So comments below and I'll see you in the next one.